Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are previewing the Aster floor plan, part of the estate line of homes at many of Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. The Aster is a 3-bedroom plus den home, just under 2,400 square foot, 3-car garage. Let's walk inside this beautiful floor plan by Lennar. You've got this nice entryway, covered entryway as you come inside the home. You'll be greeted with a nice little foyer area. As you come into the home, you'll see it's a nice, great room design floor plan. Directly to our left is a dedicated dining space here. And this is open to everything here. You've got your kitchen, your eating kitchen area, your great room, all in the same space. On the other side of the front entryway, you have your dedicated den here. Now the den does have a small closet, so you can use it as a 4th bedroom. And directly off the den here is your master suite. Huge, huge master suite with a big, big closet. And this opens up really nicely here into your master. You've got these huge bay windows allowing for plenty of light, and then you also have the door leading to your outdoor pool area. Then we've got your master's bath here. You've got the dual sinks, your soaking tub, your walk-in style shower. And then you also have an additional linen closet and private commode room here. Now as we come back out into the main area of the home, we're going to jut directly straight across past the kitchen, and that's where you're going to have your guest bedrooms, your laundry, and your garage access. So your laundry room here has additional storage space. There will be a utility sink here. This particular floor plan that we're in is being used as a sales model. So the salespeople have their desks and everything else set up here. This is the first guest bedroom here, plenty of space. You can see that door that leads out to the sales area. That's actually part of the 3-car garage that you see here. So the door that you see in this guest bedroom is actually not part of it. This would all be walled in right there. Then you've got your closet here. Sandwiched in between the 2 guest bedrooms, you have the guest bath, which is going to be a different configuration than you see here. The configuration is actually going to look just like that. You're going to have a shower, the commode, and the single sink. And just off the guest bath here is the 3rd bedroom. Now as we come out to the main area again, Lennar does offer a full appliance package, including washer and dryer with all their estate homes. Got a nice little eating kitchen area here, tons of light and windows. You've got a slider going out to your pool area. And again, from your kitchen, you're just looking out onto your entire great room, your dining space, the den. Really nice open design here. And last part of the house here is directly off the eating kitchen area. You have access outside, and this is your pool bath. So you do have a half bath here that's used for the pool, and another linen closet, great place to put all your pool towels and things that you need for outdoors. And speaking of outdoors, we're going to take a look outside on this beautiful floor plan. Coming outside, you've got plenty of under truss space here. Beautiful outdoor kitchen. And this is overlooking your pool area. Plenty of space, as you can see, for some lounge chairs to catch some sun and enjoy the Florida lifestyle. Beautiful pool package. And plenty of room to enjoy the Florida lifestyle. Guys, this is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group. We really appreciate you watching our videos. If you're interested in the Aster floor plan or any of the floor plans, we are the local Lennar experts. Let us allow you to find our dream home together. Guys, this is Roberto, and thanks for watching.